And we're going to go like so. Straighten that out. May I lower this a little bit, please? Thank you. Breathe in nice and deep. Shoulders relaxed. Wow. That has not moved. In a minute, let's come on over this way. Breathe first.
No pain at all. Remember, like we talked about the pole?
Oh, do I remember?
None at all.
Do I remember? I remember big time.
I mean, that was, I felt none there. I mean, I still feel some in my day, like there's still some pull there, but like the position and the adjustment, it was easy. Like
blessings, blessings. So Carolyn's back in the office with us, and she's been to a chiropractor in her neighborhood, neck of the woods neighborhood, and she had a couple of adjustments. Interesting, one adjustment she's had is a long axis distraction, which can be very, very beneficial at times for people. I'm curious to see how this is doing with her neck muscles, because she's reporting a lot of upper back tightness and pain, which has been an issue before, but it seems like it's more pronounced. So we're going to go head down, please, palms up. You push your head into my hand here, push, push. So the neck flexors are shut off, head down, head halfway to the left, push down, push, 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 push. Scalenes are shut off, head all the way down, all the way to the left. Stabilize here, push down, push, 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 push. The SCM is shut off, head all the way down, head halfway to the right, push down, push, push, push. There's some pain. The scalenes left side are shut off, all the way down, all the way to the right. That's really hurting, isn't it? Or resisting?
Just resisting.
Okay, push, 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 push. So all of her neck flexors are shut off. We call that no bueno. Most people understand that. Doesn't matter where you're from. And we need to get everything firing again. This elbow stays locked. You hold the arm and the head together, please. Go ahead and hold the two together. Hold, hold, hold. So her subclavius is shut off on the right. This one here, please. Look straight ahead here. All the way up. Elbow locked. Hold, hold, hold. And it's shut off on the left. So everything's shut off. Have you pull your arm in this way. Pull, pull, pull. Hand open. Turn it this way to the side. Pull in. Great, that's the rhomboid. Drop this down. Look to the left, please. Pull, pull, pull in. Levator scap is shut off. You're going to go ahead and give me this arm here. Hand like so. Elbow into the side. Pull. Look straight ahead first. Pull, pull, pull. Rhomboid shut off. Drop this down. Look to the right. Pull, 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 pull. And levator scap is shut off. So there are many adjustments out there that can help. One of the reasons I like specific chiropractic adjustments is that we want to get muscles firing and working in unison. And again, while decompression can really help sometimes and really help some people, time and time again I see people for specificity in getting muscles firing. So what we're going to do here is find the priority, and you can feel the nodules in her suboccipital muscles. And I can tell that's pretty tender, isn't it?
Yeah. It's more on that right side.
More on the right?
Where you just went, where
Yeah.
I could feel that more over there. The left didn't bother me so much. Yeah, and there's more
got
tender.
it. Good feedback. Thank you. And what about over here? We haven't.
Yeah.
How about right versus left? What's more discomfort? Or neither?
I don't know. They're both messed up.
Okay, fair, we'll leave it at that. Hands facing up, head down all the way. Turn all the way to the left. Push down into my hand, push, push, push. So we're gonna check now her right SCM and see if we can get that firing again. Head all the way down, all the way to the left. Left, left, push down, down, down. And not really actually, okay. So now we're gonna use the left one. If you want to see, there you go, now it hurts. All the way down, all the way to the left, push, push, push. Notice that turn the right one on, And then we're going to do that again, and all the way down, all the way to the right. Push down, push, push, and to turn the left one on. So we have a winner. You're going to lay on your back. Now this doesn't, doesn't feel good, right? You're going to turn your head to the right, please. Okay, and what we're going to do is get onto that SCM. There we go. We're going to do some tissue work here. Breathe through it nice and deep, Carolyn. One of the reasons that a decompression can be helpful is if the spine is compressed, it'll rapidly open up the joints. One of the reasons that it can be maybe not so helpful is that it creates micro tears and micro trauma with muscles. That can definitely be a good thing with adjustments. That can happen with regular spinal adjustments, and it does. Sometimes those micro traumas created in the muscles then lead to muscles not firing correctly, and the person may be symptom free while they're moving and turning and bending, but what happens then is if the muscles aren't firing, they're going through life, they're actually subluxating and getting and staying out of alignment. So we're going to see if we can stabilize everything. This muscle here, that right SCM, the opposing muscle, we're going to lengthen that out. It's good to have you back, my dear. We're on that healing journey together. Okay, we're going to have your head down all the way, Miss Carolyn. Push down, push, push, push. Beautiful. Those are
stronger.
Holding. It is stronger. And then halfway to the left, push down. All the way to the left, all the way down, all the way to the left. Push down, push, push, push. Beautiful. And then halfway to the right, push. All the way down, all the way to the right. A little more motion there too. Push, push, push. Beautiful. Okay, so that is firing a bit better now. Now we're going to work on some of those upper back muscles before we adjust. We're going to go face down again, dear. Gotta get everything firing properly when we have a complex case. And Carolyn is here with us now for 4 days, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Twice a day.
Twice a day, 4 days. She's coming from out of town. Gonna get her lined. We're going to go ahead now and straighten these out like so. Thumbs up, hands open, push up here with your right, push, 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 push up with your left. No, no way. All right, you straighten that out, push up. So her trapezius muscle's not firing, push, push. Let's go back up this way and drop your chest down a little bit. Yeah, and then push up here. No such luck right there, push up. Turn it this way, push up. We're trying to get her trap to hold. Push, push, push. I'm going to go to the edge of where the scapula is. Push, push, push. Push again. So we're muscle testing, and we're using the proprioceptors in her skin and her muscles. They are nerves that sense where the muscles, the joints are. We're using those as indicators so we know where to work. So very simple, basic science. We just want to use an indicator to find out where we should work on the muscles. So rather than a massage, which is wonderful and feels great, this is more targeted, very specific muscle work. You okay there? Mm-hmm. Okay, we're going to have your left hand up again, like so. Push up. Okay, a little better. Push up again, lock your elbow. A little bit better. She's recruiting her right glute. So we're going to do a counter strain here, and then we're going to go down to the lower back. Shoulders relax. Breathe in nice and deep. All the way out. Stop breathing, don't help me. So we go through a series of tests, breathe in, relax, with Miss Carolyn, where we're asking her body what it wants, and then we respond accordingly. Let's have you lay face up, please. Now we're going to open up her pec a little bit. So let's have your right hand here on the chest, like so. And then thumb down a little bit. Is it okay if I put my hand there to stretch the pec? We're going to go like this. Breathe. Oof.
It's
Pulling
pulling
there?
there, yeah.
Got it. Pull the chest down a little bit for me. Thank you. Shoulders relax. Yeah, drastic, right? You feel that?
Oh.
Does it hurt on the back of the table, or are you okay?
No, the table's fine. It's my arm.
That's right.
It's stuck.
Yeah. What happens too is that as we hunch forward, Carolyn, or as the spine tends to want to do this with gravity and stress, then the shoulders rotate internally, and they also get limited range of motion. So we have to get the muscles firing, get the spine aligned, get the shoulders pulled back into their sockets.
And I'm also typing all day.
All day, right? There we go. Thank you. Shoulders relax. This way. Wow. Yeah, you can feel the restricted range of motion.
Oh, like I can feel it all pulling
Right
in
through
there.
there.
Oh, it's like knotted in there.
Yeah, big time. Now hands to your side. Now we're going to go ahead and bring your legs to the right. Check your quadratus lumborum. QL, pull, pull, pull. A for effort. Pull to the left again. Pull, pull. Super strong on that side. We're going to check the hip flexor psoas. Straighten that out. Push up here. Push, push. No bueno. Okay,
I can feel it. It feels off on this side.
Yeah, I could see when you were recruiting to stabilize your left upper back, you're using your right, and the right's not firing properly. Push up. Okay, so let's do right QL again. Pull to the right. Pull, pull, pull. Yeah, let's go ahead and we're going to try this first. Again, just checking in with your body. Pull to the right. Go. Pull, pull, pull. And when we work on your left hip flexor, your right lower back muscles turn on. So we'll start there. And we're just jumping right into it with Carolyn. She's been here before. She knows that the soft tissue rehab doesn't feel good. It allows us with a complex case to get a better adjustment, right?
Yes.
Which she's looking forward to. Breathe.
The adjustments are the fun part.
Yeah, very true. The adjustments are the fun part. This part's not that fun. It can be painful. It's not easy, but it helps for everything to hold when we've got severe subluxation. So let's get busy. Breathe.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna hold this leg here. Breathe in. Hold your breath. You okay? Breathe in, relax. Very good. Nice and easy, 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 easy. Okay, legs to the right, Miss Carolyn. Pull. Beautiful. Now we're going to go face down, please. Pressure release on the left lower back. Yeah, your pelvis does feel really out of alignment.
My right side is bothering me.
You can feel it. Hips relax. So with muscles, when a muscle is weak, the opposing muscle will get tight. Many times people feel a tight muscle and they just go and they massage it or have it massaged, press on it. But that's only half of the issue. It's gotta hurt a little bit too, right?
Well, I also confess I was wearing heels all weekend, which is not something I've done in a long time.
Okay.
So I probably really did some damage by doing that.
Fair. Now, what about since you left? What were some of the benefits that you've experienced, and what were some of the positives that you've had since your last sessions?
I definitely feel more energy. My digestion is better. Just feeling more like myself.
Wow, that's huge. Yeah, this is a big thing. A lot of people are. Carolyn and I have talked about it multiple times. They're not in their own bodies. It's like they're just kind of going along, right, Carolyn? They're just living, but they're literally not connected to themselves. So feeling more like yourself is a gift, because that's the only person you really should be. Foot flat here. Pull against my hand. Pull, pull. Piriformis is doing well. Push here, Carolyn. Push, 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 push. Okay, right piriformis not firing. Yeah, that's the sacrum's out of alignment. Push, push. Okay, hips relax. I'm gonna work on her piriformis now. Breathe nice and deep, Carolyn. Wow. Breathe in.
I don't know if it's the muscle, but it's just...
You feel well out of alignment there too.
Yeah,
Can I lower this just a little bit?
Yeah, that's what I'm feeling is I can flip this.
Thank you.
I'm feeling really out of alignment on my right side.
Yeah, big time. Your sacrum was moving quite a bit better than that. Let's have you push in this way. Push, push. Beautiful. Better firing. Breathe in deep. And out. Breathe out. And stop breathing. So when people travel from out of town, we typically do 2 sessions a day. Not always, but when indicated, because it's really patterning the brain with learning. That's what we use repetition for. It's no different than doing math twice a day. You're going to get better at it faster. Taking a language lesson twice a day, you'll get better at it faster. You'll absorb more. Go ahead and push in. Push, push, push. Still got more work to do. Push, 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 push. And then push again. Push again. Wow, push, push, push. Keep pushing. Okay, we're gonna come back to that in a minute. Let's go ahead and lay face up, please. Pull, pull, pull. That's good. Pull this way. Yeah, we've got to get your pelvis moving properly.
Yeah.
Right, because of the screws there. Push up here. Decent firing, a little bit better on the right psoas. Come up here. Push, 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 push. A little bit better, not quite there yet. Legs to the left, please.
To the left?
Oh, yep, and then pull to the left, go. And this is why we have our time together. Let's go. Face down. We're doing it. Got work to do.
Yeah, so I just started doing those foot exercises. I just had the lesson on how to do them yesterday.
Yeah. Good. Good, good. There's a kinetic chain between the lower back, hip, knee, and ankle and foot. Let's have you go face up, please. So we just adjusted her left navicular. Pull that up. Carolyn's ready. She shows up ready to get it, right? She's like, let's do it. I want to get into alignment.
Yes, I
Come
definitely want to get into alignment. Oh.
Here. And then foot relax. There we go. That was a big adjustment. Good job. Okay. We're gonna lay face down, dear. She's putting in work. Breathe in deep, Carolyn. And out. Shoulders relaxed. Wow. You have been inflamed, young lady. Chest relax, shoulders relax. Oh. That was a very specific upper thoracic adjustment. And now that sacrum, oh my gosh, that sacrum wants to move. So good, right? The body can heal.
Yes.
Hips relax.
Oh, these are so easy now. Oh, feels good.
That face.
Oh.
You can tell when someone's dialed because the feeling of relief. It's a beautiful thing. We're gonna breathe.
Oh,
in.
it just happens so much easier. It's not so difficult. Now we can get my neck that way.
Mm-hmm. The body can heal. Head relax. I want your upper back relax.
I could feel that one before I even did it. I knew it was coming. Oh, that was good. Thank you.
Body's dialed in. It's my pleasure. You're welcome.
Oh.
Now we're going to put this lady on some gentle cervical traction. And then we're going to send her out into beautiful sunny LA to the park across the street to do a little workout. So she's going to come back in a few hours like, oh, man, you made me do what? Slide down this way. Okay, shoulders, take the elbows out. There we go, we're going to chin, let me set that down right there. Head back, are we okay?
Yes.
Okay, shoulders relax, arms in external rotation, chest relax. We're okay there? Beautiful. All right, we'll see what happens in our next visit.